Hi there, it's Joseph, and welcome to the YouTube channel on San Miguel de Allende Secrets. And today we're going to be talking about some of the local cemeteries. If you need more information, as always, in the descriptive box down below, there are links to various websites, including Amazon.com, if you wish to purchase any of the books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets best-selling series of books. Originally, the indigenous cemetery was in front of where the paroquia is today, that Father Bernardo de Cosín leveled in 1552. The Spanish normally built their churches on spots already used by the indigenous for worship, including taking apart some pyramids to use the stones in building the church. Starting in 1948 and until recently, Our Lady of Guadalupe Cemetery is the most used in town, supporting a separated foreigner area that likes the life or spirit as the main cemetery during the season of Day of the Dead. To routinely clean and paint your loved one's graves throughout the year is a common practice. Often my tour guests will comment on the multiple burials in the same plot. This is permissible, provided there has been 7 years since the last burial in the same spot. Frequently, the 7-year rule forces spouses to be buried separate because another family member, or maybe the spouse themselves, had been placed in the same plot recently, disqualifying it from being recycled. Up the hill behind the mall, there is a more recent and currently active Garden of New Life cemetery, featuring flat tombstones and a little funerary art. It's not frequently visited by foreigners, nor is the close-by municipal cemetery. Again, feel free to click the subscribe button below, and you'll get notifications each day of new videos that will come out about Day of the Dead this month here on the San Miguel de Allende Secrets YouTube channel.